Why are there not more people talking about thriving on a gluten-free diet? You need to watch this if you're ready to live gluten-free and fabulous. First things first, what even is gluten? It's a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Think bread, pasta, and oh so yummy pastries. But guess what? Going gluten-free doesn't mean giving up deliciousness. Breakfast? Think smoothies, scrambled eggs, and gluten-free oats. Lunch? How about a vibrant salad with quinoa or a hearty chickpea wrap? And for dinner? Options galore. Rice noodles, zoodles, or good old potatoes. The world is your gluten-free oyster. Snacking? No problem. Rice cakes, nuts, fruits, and gluten-free crackers are your best mates. Eating out? Just ask for gluten-free options. Most places have got you covered. And hey, you're not being that person, you're being awesome. Remember, always check labels and watch out for sneaky gluten in sauces and seasonings. Knowledge is power, friends. Living gluten-free can be fun, flavorful, and totally fulfilling. So embrace it and thrive. You've got this.